Alright guys, as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you all the mods I currently have done to my BMW E60. Alright guys, so this is my 2008 BMW 528i E60 LCI, and the first mod I did when I got this car was upgrading these clear halogen side markers with a smoked out LED version. I think they look pretty good, and for only 30 bucks I think they add a nice touch to this car. The second and third thing I did in the same day were these double slotted gloss matte black kidney grills, as well as the I wrapped the V-brace or radiator bars in red, just to give it a nice touch. All right, the fourth thing I did was I painted the stock brake calipers red. I did this by hand. I think I did a pretty good job. There's still some mistakes that you'll probably be able to see, but from like this distance, I don't think anyone will tell that they were hand painted. I used the G2 brush on brake caliper kit. I will leave a link for a description in Amazon if you want to purchase it yourself, as well as the other mods like the side markers and grills and stuff. But yeah, this is the third thing I did. Alright guys, inside the car now, the next thing I did was I replaced the stock 6.5-inch screen with a 9-inch high-resolution one. This specific one is from Andrew. It cost me, I think, $405. It's a touch screen. You can also use the integrated knob, and it works with it too if you want. Also, if you hold the menu button for 3 seconds, it brings you back to the old screen, so you have all the regular functionality that you still have. You can still check your oil, tire pressure, and stuff like that through here. But what I really bought this unit for was obviously the Bluetooth for music, the built-in navigation. Let me pull this up real quick. Yeah, it's right there. And then also I got a backup camera. All right, and here's a close-up of the backup camera I had installed. It's actually integrated into the trunk handle to make it look as stock as possible. But it was a bitch to install, I'm not gonna lie. It took me like 3 hours to route it underneath the seats and all the way to the front where the head unit is. All right guys, the last thing I've done to the exterior of this car is give it a European custom license plate. As you can see, I do not have the M Sport bumper for this E60 chassis, so to give it a little more character, I thought I'd put a European license plate there. I think it looks pretty cool. And fortunately, I am not in a state that requires a front license plate, or else I could be in a little bit of trouble for that one. But yeah, let's head back inside. Okay, the next thing I did was wrap this wood trim to a kind of matte satin wood finish. I didn't want to go the standard glossy black route because I think it looks like even cheaper plastic than the OEM one, and then carbon fiber would be a little too rice for me. But I mean, I personally like it. It's up to you. I know I'm probably the first one to do this. Rightfully so, actually. This wood, because it's kind of textured, is actually a bigger pain in the ass to wrap because it's not as bendable to heat. But yeah, I haven't done these door handles yet. I have to disconnect the battery and take off the door trim to get to those, but rest assured I will be doing those soon. But yeah, this is the next. I mean, I think my workmanship is pretty good considering this is the first thing I've ever wrapped. All right, and as I'm sure as all of you E60 owners know, at least in North America, you have to code in to roll up all of your windows holding the lock button. I'm pretty sure in Europe or other countries, they don't code this out and you can do this, but in the US, I think there's some regulation against it, so they uncode it. And how I recoded it in was using this VPeak OBD2 adapter with the Beamer Code app. I've also coded a couple other things, but they're not really mods, just more personalized things. But yeah, that's about it. All right, guys, that just about does it for all the mods I've currently done to my BMW E60. As you guys probably know, none of those were performance mods. I just wanted to make this video to show you everything I've done currently. Any future mods that I will do, I'm going to be posting to YouTube. This is my first YouTube video, if you guys probably can't tell by just bad editing and stuff, but hopefully you can forgive me for that. But yeah, I'm looking to do wheels, suspension, tires, an intake, tuning, exhaust, all that fun stuff. So if you want to just stick around for that, please subscribe. But yeah, I know that a lot of things I've done to this car, some people won't like, but I mean, I'm not making the car for you, I'm making it for me, and I think it's perfect the way it is so far. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Bye.